Welcome to our online English class. This is our first class, so welcome. In our today's class, we are going to learn how do we behave in the classroom. So let's start our today's class. After entering into your classroom, at first you should exchange your greetings to your teacher by saying good morning and how are you? Look at the screen. How the students are exchanging their greetings to their teacher. You should sit properly in the classroom. You should listen carefully to your teacher. You should do your classwork in the classroom very carefully. When your teacher asks you a question, you should answer the question by raising your hand. You should work with your friends and classmates in the school. You should help your classmates and friends for cleaning the classroom. You should play and work together. So students, today we have learned how do we behave in the classroom. Hope you have learned it. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
আরো নতুন ভিডিও পেতে আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।